Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily send a laser effect message on your iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes and write your comments after watching. So, let's get started. Open the messaging app on your iPhone. Next, navigate to the correspondence you want. After that, enter any text that you want. And next, before you send your text or some, like emoji if you add them as well. You'll need to click on this send sign here to pick up the effect. But press and hold, so press and hold and you'll see a window like this. Next, friends, click right here to switch to effects. And you'll just have to flip sideways to find the laser effect. That's what it looks like. It's really so spectacular and beautiful. And in order to send a message like this, you'll just have to click send on this arrow here. And then both you and the person you're talking to will see this laser effect on a particular message. Friends, this is the simple and quick way you can easily send laser effect message on your iPhone. I really hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please don't forget to put your likes under the video, write your comments and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon.